Parents, teach your own child and learn from it. With the new normal, many parents appreciate the daily grind of a teacher. It seems being a working mom or a full-time homemaker is gone. We are now called to put on a new hat, teacher. Thus we would like to share some insights for you to get started or boost your ways. Here are the 3 benefits of teaching your own child. 1. More time. 2. More money. 3. More enriched family moments. More time. Like anything else, you need to invest time in teaching your child. Employing a collaborative approach saves a lot of your time. Take for example homeworks. You don't have to answer his work, but you can teach him how to figure it out. Being unable to answer his work means he's unclear about the topic. The best person to go for clarification is his teacher, not a tutor. Alternatively, any of his close friends or classmates can be an aid. This habit inculcates responsibility and resourcefulness. This practice gives you a bird's-eye view of your child's studies with a short time spent daily. 2. More money. In Singapore, tuition is roughly a $1.5 billion industry and growing annually. Many parents empty their pockets for their child to keep up. To learn from a tutor what they should have learned from school. Your child only needs tuition for any of the 2 reasons. 1. Your child is very weak academically or has learning disability. 2. Your child is doing very well and needs help to do better. If none of these is your child, save your money and explore a cost-effective route. 3. More enriched family moments. Learning doesn't have to be confined inside the 4 corners of the classroom. With conscious effort, learning can take place anytime and anywhere. Don't be too engrossed with academics. Some timeless subjects takes precedence. Exercising or sporting together is a good platform to instill discipline and commitment. A shopping trip can be used as an avenue to teach financial literacy. Bedtime reading fosters critical thinking and rouses curiosity. See, there's plenty of practical skills that you as a parent can imbue. There's endless opportunities to instill lifelong skills outside the classroom. These moments educate and enrich your relationship with your child. In summary, teaching your child serves you far beyond academic success. In teaching your child, you don't need a lot of time or know the answers. Just be present and provide direction. Encourage your child to take ownership and exercise resourcefulness. Mastering these values takes time but presents invaluable dividends. In teaching your child, consider a more prudent but profitable concept. Paying to reteach your child isn't only costly, it can breed dependency. Your child's struggles can be a reflection of his attitude towards his studies. A highly qualified tutor isn't the answer for a child with discipline issues. Teaching your own child saves you time and money. It gives you the avenue to model and cultivate lifelong values. These values, if mastered, will save you more troubles than money. In teaching your child, be prepared to wear different hats. A playmate, friend, mentor, and at times a competitor. You don't have to wear the parent hat all the time. Focus on what works for your child, not what works for you. Teaching your child saves you time, money, and enrich your relationship with your child. Follow our page for more enriching videos.